Let's go. Do 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 do.
Cowabunga. Ah. Hi, I'm Caslon.
And I'm Nick.
And we are going on a road trip from Ontario, Canada, all the way down to Florida, close to West Palm Beach. And from there, we're going all the way down to Mexico to Sayulita, Nayarit.
Where this little bugger's from? Bonita. We adopted her last spring while we were in Sayulita, and we are making the voyage back down there. Rather than flying this time, we're actually gonna drive. We have a surfboard, a bunch of luggage, and ourselves, and we're super excited to share the journey with you. Good morning. Driving down to Toronto from Coburg, getting ready to do our big road trip. Super stoked. Got everything that we left over in Coburg at Caslon's mom's place, Suzanne's, and we're gonna throw it in our storage locker. And yeah, we're basically packing the car. We did a dry run last night. Pretty excited. Everything fits in the trunk. Basically, Bonita's got the best seat in the house back there. Full coach, 2-seater for her.
Right. It'll be all of her stuff instead of our stuff that we're bringing to storage.
I'm gonna let Caslon take us back because I'm driving down the DVP in rush hour, so it's very
Stay safe.
Dangerous.
Yeah, this is our last weekend in Toronto. We're just going Friday, staying the night in a hotel, and then doing storage locker stuff tomorrow. But today we get to see friends, do last minute appointments. It's gonna be a good day. It's actually Black Friday, so maybe a little online shopping, but I think we have almost everything that we need for our trip. All right, we'll check in with you later. So far, we went to my sugaring appointment, but then our hotel did not have a reservation, which sucked.
Classic.
Very classic Expedia, but honestly, they were actually pretty good. I feel like with getting us relocated, apparently we're gonna be in a nicer hotel. TBD.
They moved us to another spot. We've never been there. We've never been to this place either, so whatever.
Whatever, so rolling it. We're gonna get some dumplings because that's what this weather requires. And to be honest, they were pretty nice to give us a shot at the end, so.
Yes, bourbon.
No hate, not gonna say the hotel name. They don't want to throw any shade. Maybe I will, we'll see.
You'll find out later.
You'll find out. Snom.
6.5 hours later.
Breakfast with champions. Whoa!
Keeping that storage locker organized is the only thing that keeps us sane.
Yeah, it's actually oddly satisfying. So you're gonna see our storage locker, which I think used to be a work of art. It's a little more messy now, but it's still pretty organized.
But it's gonna come out better this time.
Yeah, yeah. Let's do it.
Here we are, second floor, Bluebird Storage. Let's get it. Last time I was here, I literally saw a guy with an extension cord and a drill, and he was busting open an ATM machine in one of these things.
Stop.
Seriously. It was one of those Bitcoin ATM machines the day after the crash.
Really?
Yeah. I thought of offering help, but I didn't want to get involved.
Trying to get those Bitcoins, baby.
Mining.
Mining, yeah, he's mining for Bitcoin, literally. Almost there.
Alright.
Here she is. Beautiful locker. She is anyone home? She's a 10 by 10. She don't look it, but it's hard to show her, really.
Yeah.
Voila!
As you could imagine, it's a storage locker.
With a lot of stuff in it.
Pretty well organized.
It is pretty well organized. It's looking a lot messier than it used to, but the light is not very good. You can kind of see.
Random things. So my mom's storage locker closed. I had to throw a few things in here last minute.
We did try to organize everything, bins. So we've got all of our houseware stuff in different spots along here, like books, memory boxes, furniture and stuff back there. Our bicycles, which I miss. I miss my bike CC. One of our surfboards, the other one's already been taken. So yeah, honestly, this used to look so much nicer. I feel like it's not even worth showing right now. We're gonna organize it. So you can see it a little bit better now. So we've got all of our stuff for kitchen, home, all there. Usually have like a full-on dresser, hook rack, coat rack. Got like rug, mattress, tons of boxes, but everything's like clear and pretty organized. It's our giant swinging chair, so that takes up a lot of room. Lots of records are in here. Got some stuff out of some of these things that we might want to use. Then like a lot of chairs, like kind of stackables over here. Bikes. We've actually got our dresser. We've got like things kind of organized in. Things that were like starting to be too heavy. Because this tower started to get a little heavy, so I had to take some heavier items out, put it in here. Because don't want to have it drip. I was starting putting some alcohol in here, and then I started to have a second thought, so I need to talk to Nick about that, but everything else is pretty full, so.
It's too early for a drink, Cass.
It's too early for a drink. But we can see we still have all of this. We figure out where this is going. Some of these other things just go back in, and then a couple more items, so let's figure it out.
Let's figure it out. Problem solving 101.
Tetris game for adults.
Do it. Our vehicle is ready for pickup.
Perfect.
Let's do it.
Let's go. Can never leave the storage locker without bringing some stuff back. Oh right, we don't have our car because it's at the shop. That's so weird.
We're gonna go for a little walk. It's not very far.
Okay, with that bin?
Yep.
All right, let's do it. No car. You know, like James Bond. Our Thule? Am I saying it right?
Yeah, totally.
You see we got these installed here at Rack Attack. And the next step is figuring out how to strap a surfboard on. But they look pretty good. They look pretty solid. We ended up getting some other ones and then we're returning them. They just didn't seem very solid. Seems good. Seems great. Now we rejoice with some za from Bar Poet from last night.
Very good.
Okay, so we are 12 hours from departure and still packing. We're in a pretty good space. It's dark because of daylight savings, so we do have to pack the car in the dark, which sucks. But wanted to show you a bit of my packing. I am known as an overpacker, but I've gotten so much better over the years. Nick and I have done a few trips together, and every year I feel like I get a little bit better. We are going for over 6 months, just about 6 months, so this is still a lot of stuff, but I have this one big bag, and this will go in the trunk. This has like all my stuff. Before, I would always use like Ziploc bags. I am a convert officially to the packing cubes. It was so helpful to have those this time around. I feel like I actually know where everything is. So you can see I have two sides here. I have some things that need to be like hung up that are like on the bottom, but overall pretty good. And then I also have like a smaller little kind of mini suitcase, which is just gonna have the stuff that I need for our road trip. So like that I can just bring in and out to the hotels that we're staying in. And this has just kind of like everything that I could need for that. So it's looking really good. I'm excited.
Good thing I'm skinny. I'm gonna use the car handle for that.
Okay, we're finally loading the car. Woohoo! Did it.
These are also like 15 because usually you'd like probably want like a 10-foot strap for a car this size, but the only thing that would deliver in a timely manner were these 15-foot straps, so they're a bit longer. No big deal.
Amazon Prime. Is that what these are?
Yeah.
You can link them below.
They're pretty good actually, from what I've seen using them so far.
And these are better than the other straps because it could hurt your board.
The ratchet straps.
The ratchet straps.
You can tighten them too tight.
And these are really
These are
nice
called cam
boards.
buckles. Okay, I just want to see that it's like nice and straight.
Just a little bit. Looks pretty straight to me.
Yeah, that's right. And you just get like you just close these inside the doors.
Okay, cool.
So hopefully it doesn't fly off the car. It's like really securely on. Like I think like the only reason I would come off is if the wind like blew underneath and like ripped the whole system off of the top. So hopefully that doesn't
Hopefully
happen.
that doesn't happen.
Yeah.
Okay.
You can put like a safety buckle like through the car on top of the thing, but I'm just not gonna do that.
Okay. We're gonna now bring the car back a little bit, as far back as we can go. And then tomorrow we load in the rest of Bonita's stuff, our electronics, and we hit the bricks.
Yeah.
Right?
Right.
All right, well, good night.
Let's do it.